In this demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the noise dampening features that come with our TAP insulation. To the left of us, we have a bucket that is completely filled with fiberglass insulation, and to the right of us, we have a bucket that's filled with our TAP insulation. Just so we can take a look inside, we can see there that there's standard fiberglass. And then to our right, we have our TAP insulation. I'm now going to put an alarm inside both these containers, and we're going to listen to the noise dampening difference. I'm going to turn the alarm system on. As you can tell, you can still significantly hear the alarm system in the regular insulation. And now I'm going to move it to the TAP insulation. Visit our website for a free consultation on TAP insulation.